So here we got the new turbo for the 9.5. It's a TD04HR 16T or no 16G large. So it has the 48mm inducer and 68mm exducer on the compressor wheel, and as it is a HR TD04 turbine, it's the 9-blade high flow turbine wheel, which is quite nice. I remachined the compressor housing myself on a manual lathe. It was quite fun, actually. This is a no-name aftermarket compressor housing, so the machining on it previously was really bad. So I had to realign everything and remachine everything from the seal surface to the outer here, so I could actually align the whole thing and machine it properly with accuracy. It was quite an experience. My first compressor housing I ever machined. The main goal with this turbo is to reduce the torque down low, but still maintain power up top, or even make more power up top, like peak horsepower at 6,000 RPM instead. I want to keep the torque at about 520 Newton meters or 530 Newton meters. So we're really gonna lowball it, because I feel like the transmission won't hold in the long term with the 15T. It is too much of a diesel power band, to be honest, as it peaks early and dies off quite fast. So it's always in the torque area. And currently now I make like 630 Newton meters at the crank or something, 570 to the hubs. That's just too much. So yeah, gonna lowball the torque now, but still be able to have fun. I'm really curious about how much power this one can put out. I am for certain it could make 500 horsepower with current setup if I push it really hard and fine tune it with all the pressures again, like measuring everything and finding the sweet spot everywhere. But I'm probably gonna end up like 450 horsepower at tops. I don't want really that much more at quite low boost though, as this one put out so much more air per O2 bar of boost. 0.2, 0.1 bar of boost. So yeah, the 15T I had made 330 horsepower to the hubs at like 0.95 bars of boost at 6,000 RPM, which is quite good. So this one should make like 380 horsepower at the hubs on the same boost up there, but also it's in the relation of torque and everything. So it's torque is horsepower as well. So also this turbine housing is temporarily for just protecting the sensitive turbine wheel. However, I'm debating myself whether I should use this turbine housing or not, and report it and port it, because it has some really nice features in the casting. Actually, one of the best turbine housings I ever seen of this 6 square centimeter housings, because it has a really smooth taper down here, so it's really steep, so it's not much of a pressure buildup here compared to other ones I have seen. And I can actually port this one down in the scroll as well, because it's so much material, and the way they have made this turbine, so I can actually slow the build-up even more by porting that area right there, make a bulge outwards and slowly, gently taper it inwards. So basically increasing the scroll size a little bit, slow down the pressure buildup, increase top end flow. The turbine, or the wastegate hole is actually really good on this one. It's really large hole and good open flow, good transition, but could still use some porting as well here. Smooth out, open it wider in here. It's a little bit thin here, so maybe not that way around, but this way around is definitely possible. Yeah, probably gonna put this turbo on in a few days or so and start working my way down in torque and increasing the power a little bit. Reliability is key on the daily driver. I don't really like the torque. So yeah. Here are some pictures of the machining of this compressor housing, and also some fun comparisons between a standard 19T versus this one, and also the turbine wheels in comparison. And also I have a picture of this one next to the 1100 plus horsepower turbo I have for the 1000 horsepower build.